Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting smart. Assess the problem and act immediately. First, remove loose debris with a stiff nylon brush or plastic scraper so you can see the real issue. Once visible, sprinkle 1 tablespoon coarse salt and add a little warm water to scrub sticky areas. Salt works as an abrasive that won't strip good seasoning. Make sure to note any rust spots or large flaking seasoning. Those change how aggressively you'll proceed and whether you'll need to reseason later. Once the surface is accessible, move to deep cleaning. Apply a thin layer of high smoke oil and heat the pan in a 450 degrees oven for about 1 hour to loosen sticky carbonized grease. After cooling slightly, scrub with oven-safe steel wool or a chainmail scrubber to lift softened residue. Rinse with hot water and dry thoroughly to prevent flash rust. If you still see rust, sand lightly with fine grit paper until bare metal shines. Then repeat cleaning so the surface is ready for reseasoning. You finish by reseasoning to create a durable, non-stick layer. Apply 1 thin coat of high smoke oil, flaxseed, grapeseed, or vegetable, then wipe until the surface looks almost dry. This prevents tackiness. Bake upside down at 450 degrees for 1 hour, cool in the oven, and repeat 2 to 3 times. Make sure to use very thin coats and full bake cycles. If you ever get a sticky finish again, it usually means too much oil or insufficient heating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.